Hi, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will show you daily Chinese handwriting on the character 是 step by step. I will write it in regular script, then following one word and one sentence. Without further ado, let's get started. 是 means matter, thing, work, 事情 thing. For example, nothing happens. 什么事情都没有发生。什么事情也没有发生。什么事情也没有发生。In short, 没事。Nothing happens. This is my casual handwriting. Shi, matter, thing, work. 事情 thing, nothing happens. 什么事情也没有发生，没事。Please comment any sentence with Chinese character 是. I hope you find this video helpful. Support my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, click the bell, like, and help me share this video. Okay, that's all for today. Thanks so much for watching. Have a wonderful day. Goodbye.